Hey, what's up? This is the second part to the Making a Song in Discord video. If you guys want to check out the first one, that'll be in the description or in the top right corner. Enjoy. This is the final part of the song. Oh, say something, guys. Oh, you can't. Idiots, bro. Idiots. Yo. All right. Let's freaking...
I'm so sad.
Absolute Yeti.
Yeti balls. Pop-Tart balls.
Stop tracking.
Balls. Shiny balls. Fortnite balls. Shark balls. Dick and balls. Grasshoppers.
I would change your
Fuck
nickname
it.
so you have like a period in front of your
Dude,
name.
shut
so you're
up.
higher
We're
on
listening to the
list.
song, Goose.
Dude, shut up!
Oh my, dude. We're never gonna get the song done. Push our sleeves,
We're
absolutely.
literally fuck it up like I'm Candace. Take your bitch to Paris. All these girls are staring. Me and my homies ain't caring.
Yo,
I drank from the sperm banks.
Sperm Banks.
I'm gay like I'm Tom Hanks.
Tom Hanks.
Yeah, Tom Hanks took me off. Told him that I
I
like
ever
a rough
listened to
cock.
What's good? Me and my homies, we chillin' good. Peepees and Pop-Tarts, oh yes. Like it in my mouth, my chest. Look at me, I be obsessed with all of these dudes. Like, oh yes, come in my mouth. I am just kidding. Look at me, you know we getting it, get it. I already know. Look at me. What, bro, why did that beat stop?
In laws of aviation, there is no way a bee should be able to fly. Its wings are too small to get its fat little body off the ground. The
Bro,
bee,
this
of
is-
course,
My line's gonna sound
flies
so bad.
anyway, because bees don't care what humans think is possible.
I can make the impossible. Fuck the dude. Penis and Pop-Tarts. Smell that. Fart,
auto-tuned.
While my girlfriend's out on the sidewalk. This guy had a huge penis. Watch Kate Porter test my straightness. Pop-Tarts. Poop farts. Penis cum. Shit cum. Fuck. Run! I wanted to make this right here, like, go around your ears. You know what I'm talking about?
No.
I know you can do that on Premiere Pro, but
Yup.
Oh, what if I make it behind? Can I make it like... oh, that's weird.
Oh, what the hell? That's
So
weird.
it's like...
freaking
It's
weird,
like in
dude.
my right ear, and it's just like.
I'm more of a left ear kind of guy. Let's see.
Yeah.
Just make it.
Yeti
pan,
left
pan it
us.
from left to right.
You can't. There's no
I don't-
keyframing.
Yeah, I don't know if there's like key... there probably is, but that's too much work. I don't know how to do that.
Gotta hate keyframing.
Should I just finish my like beat here and then...
What's
Yeah?
next? Who's next?
I guess it would be you, Kraken.
Me?
Yeah.
What do I say?
I had this one line prepared.
was
It,
gonna
wa-
do
it,
call
it,
me
was-
the
it was
baby.
like... Cock o'clock, trying to fuck these bitches, but all I want to do is talk, bro. Okay?
You can't really speak, can you?
No, I can't. So...
Weird.
Yeti,
It crashed, like, once.
fucking Goose, stop flexing your money. We get it, you're 2.5 million views on a video.
Dude, I don't know why you keep mentioning that. I didn't make any money off
Cock
of that.
o'clock, trying to fuck these bitches, but all I want to do is talk. Bro, that was bars. That was bars. Dude, that was straight
That
bars.
was
bro.
bar. That was
That
straight bars. Straight
That was
bar.
actual straight bars. Okay. Ooh, nuzzles, nuzzles, bro.
What the?
I'm gonna do that now. Bye. Can you
Cock
also
o'clock,
do
trying
my
to fuck these
ooh?
bitches, but all I want to do. What the fuck?
Yeti,
Yeah.
you auto-tune my ooh. Ooh, nuzzle, nuzzle.
What?
Ooh,
Said that in the most-
nuzzle.
I said that in the most British accent I could do.
Yeah, you're fake.
Ooh,
British
ooh.
accent.
Ooh, nuzzle, nuzzle.
Nuzzle, nuzzle.
You should put the ooh woo in like the right ear.
And then nuzzle. Do one nuzzle in the left and one nuzzle in the right.
Okay, bet.
Oh, that'd be weird.
Yeah,
you should do
nuzzle,
that, though.
nuzzle.
Oh, penis.
Said he liked one of my videos today.
Nuzzle.
nuzzle.
Oh,
Fucking
Yeah,
sick.
yeah, I lied about
that's
that.
so
but-
weird, dude.
Nuzzle, nuzzle.
It sounds like it just cuts out. Cause it's like
Yeah,
goes
it's-
one ear to the other.
It's because you don't know how to pan one clip and you just cut it into two different
Yeah.
clips.
Nuzzle, nuzzle.
Should we just keep it?
Guys,
Yeah,
don't
go for it.
preview this. Don't preview this. Just shove it straight in.
What is it?
Should we like do
It's
some?
ooh.
Should we just end the song
another
here,
ooh.
but do some weird like
No,
coming
Yeti,
out
put another
here?
ooh.
What do you mean do
Put another ooh.
You should.
Oh, it sounds. Dude, why does it sound so much different on here, dude?
I don't know.
Wait, what did it sound like on there?
And then on
It sounds like a
Discord,
robot farting, bro.
on on Discord, it sounds funny.
Nuzzle.
He's a
Nah,
cat.
you gotta turn it to 200. Turn it to 200.
Yeah,
no
turn it
way,
up.
dude. My ears are
Turn
gonna
it
break, dude.
Yeah, that's the
Turn it
end of the
up.
song. Just put it to 200.
Turn it up.
Ready?
Or at least
No
keep it
way.
at 0,
Ready?
dude.
No way.
At
I'm
least keep
doing
it at
that.
0.
Oh my.
Bro, you gotta do sit-ups again.
I'm eating cereal.
Hold up. I have a good.
We both
Bro.
clicked it. We both clicked it.
Oh my-
Okay,
Yo, what are you guys doing?
Oh,
my.
stop. Stop.
Oh,
These are the worst mods. I'm about to unmod all you guys.
Bro, I'm not
turning it
even.
off.
I'm not, Yeti. I'm not
Turn
even
it
doing
off.
anything. It's all them.
Hey.
I'm disabling them now.
I
Nick.
want to fuck the shit out of Absolutely. Okay, there
What
we go.
cereal are you eating, Nick?
Yo, should we just end the song here? Is it done? You guys say it's done?
I think
No,
so.
do my massive loud ooh.
No, that's so loud. It, like,
Yeah, do his
it actually hurts my ears.
I don't like the name of Trap Chat. Can that not exist?
No,
Nah,
fuck
man,
it up like
it's,
I'm.
it's the
Um,
chat.
Yeah, Tom Hanks.
What do you mean?
Told him that I like a rough. Doesn't even line up.
I think we're done with the song, honestly.
All right. We're just gonna play the song, bro. Okay, here we go.
Absolute Yeti.
Yeti balls, Pop-Tart balls, shitty balls, shiny balls, Fortnite balls, sharp balls, dick and balls, grasshoppers. Scare the fuck out of me. Twitch honestly is absolute Yeti.
Fuck it up like I'm Candace. Take your bitch to Paris. All these girls are staring. Me and my homies ain't caring. I drank from the sperm banks. I'm gay like I'm Tom Hanks. Yeah, Tom Hanks took me off. Told him that I like a rough.
Cock.
What's good? Me and my homies, we chillin' good. Peepees and Pop Tarts, oh yes. Like it in my mouth, my chest. Look at me, I be obsessed with all of these dudes. Like, oh yes, come in my mouth. I am just kidding. Look at me, you know we getting it, get it. I already know. Look at me, what, bro? Why did that beat
In
stop?
known laws of aviation, there is no way a bee should be able to fly. Its wings are too small to get its fat little body off the ground. The bee, of course, flies anyway, because bees don't care what humans think is possible.
I can make the impossible. Fuck the dude. Penis and Pop-Tarts. Smell that. Fart. Blow my girlfriend's out on the sidewalk. This guy had a huge penis. Watch Kate Porter test my straightness. Pop-Tarts. Poop farts. Penis cum. Shit cum. Fuck. Run! Cock a clock. Trying to fuck these bitches, but all I want to do is talk. Penis.
Ooh, nuzzle nuzzle.
I want to fuck the shit out of Absolutely.
Bars, bro!
Boggers.
My cat in the middle of me staring at the screen just jumped in my lap.
All right, but yeah, thank you guys for coming by. It's all released on YouTube. Probably will probably make this a video. I hope so. And yeah, this will be released on SoundCloud and Spotify. Maybe not Spotify, but we'll see.
I love you all.
Yeah, see you
Have
guys.
a great-
Yep.